Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the modal since when, form, meaning, and function from the book Supergol. Let's start first with the passive. We use the passive to emphasize the action and not who or what does it. So we don't care about who or what does it. We just care about the action. To make the passive, we use the verb be and a past participle. The person or thing that does the action is the agent, and when we want to show the agent, we use by plus the agent. Now, to learn more about these, we are going to have some examples. Change the sentences from active to passive. So all the sentences are active. We want to make it to passive. For example, number one, Carol Benz made the first car in 1886. So the passive, the first car was made by Carol Benz in 1886. So here we emphasized the action. The first car was made by Carl Benz in 1886 is the agent. Now we have the verb in the third or the past participle made with the verb to be was. We didn't use is because already the sentence, the active sentence is in the past. Do you see Carl Benz made? So it's already in the past. So we have the verb to be was, not is. And made is the past participle of the verb make. So let's see number two. Companies all over the world produce cars today. Cars are produced all over the world. So are because it's in the present, and we have produced the past participle of produce. Number three, they have made many changes in our city. Many changes have been made in our city. So because of the have, a verb to be, so it's have been made. So we use the past participle. Number four, did Alexander Fleming discover penciling? Was penciling discovered by Alexander Fleming? So it's a question. We start with verb to be was, then emphasizing the action, then the agent Alexander Fleming. Five, they filmed the documentary in a desert oasis. The documentary was filmed in a desert oasis. Again, it's in the past, so we used was filmed. Six, did they invite you to the graduation ceremony? Were you invited to the graduation ceremony? So it's a question. We start with where, verb to be. You invited. It's the past participle of invite. Seven, people speak English all over the world. English is spoken all over the world. So the verb is speak. We made it to the past participle spoken with verb to be is. 8. Steven Sassoon invented the digital camera in 1975. The digital camera was invented by Steven Sassoon in 1975. The past tense, when we use it for the active, for example, Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone. So here, invented is in the past. If we wanted to make it too passive, the telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. So the verb to be here is was because again, this one is in the past tense, and invented is the past participle of invent. So for today, we learned more about the passive, and we had some examples and the past tense. Thank you for listening.